She had okay. She had over a decade's worth of experience in science, corporate, and academia. She also worked as a physics assistant professor at Mapua University for over 5 years and as a senior physics analyst and team lead fluids and plasma at InnoData Incorporated for more than 7 years. Let me take just a moment to breathe. I love her accomplishments. She holds a bachelor's and master's degree in physics, specializing in particle physics, and a CERN CERN summer student in 2011 and conducted research on new physics beyond the standard model. But okay, medyo bitinin ko kayo. Let us have an icebreaker first. Just to, let us ease muna. Okay, so for the icebreaker, okay, may I call on our Vice President? Ate Reg, hi.
Hello, guys.
Ate
Okay,
Reg, medyo mahina yung mo, mic mo, or sa end ko lang yun. Mahina po ba siya? Or sa akin lang?
Pero okay lang, go. Let's push through na.
Okay po. Ayan, okay. So let me call on our CCSS Secretary, Miss Antoinette Pangilinan, for the icebreaker.
Okay, wait lang. Meron atang na-assign dito that was for node. Wait, ilipat lang natin siya. Yeah, I'll check that one. Anyways, good afternoon, everyone. So, para sa icebreaker natin, guys, mag-join kayo. Ang unang game natin is yung guess the movie title. So, each winner will receive a 50 pesos GCash. And yan, later meron pa tayong mga paraffles. So, nandito ba si Carla?
Yes po. Lahat po ng winners sa mananalo, you can message our FB page, UECCSSSC. Thank you.
Okay, so for our first movie, ayan, pa-monitor na lang ng chats ha. So, ito yung movie poster, hulaan nyo lang kung anong title niya and then, yan, meron na kayong GCash. Okay, so, Patricia Lantin, meron ka ng mapapanalunan na forever. Charing. Ayan. So, next movie. Wala pa. Dating gangster, no? Okay, so meron na yata tayong, ayan. Sino na una? Si Christian. Christian de Belen, congratulations. Meron ka ng rice cooker. Charot. Yan. Message niyo yung FB page namin, guys, to claim your prizes. So, next movie goes to ayan, go, Patrice. Ayun na to. Ngayon kaya. Okay, next. Pa-message nung FB page namin, guys, or kahit si Carla na lang siguro if hindi ma-acknowledge agad. Timothy Mariano. Hala, speaker siya.
Go, ma.
Ayan.
Congrats,
go,
sir.
Congrats, sir. This is yours. Ayan. Next. Siya, Indonesian type. Okay, next movie. Congratulations! Sino nga to? Si Angela Apolonio. Congratulations! And next, di ko alam kung last na to, pero go. 50-50. Cheating? Hoy, hindi. Walaan nyo na, guys. I-chat na yung mas. How to be yours? Ghosting? Parang hindi yun, ma'am.
Tama po si Angela Apolonio.
Angela Apolonio again. Oh, congratulations, sis. Meron ka ng 100 pesos. Next. Angela, tama ka na. Wait. So, nauna si... What's his name? Aljon Nabriaga. Congratulations! Si Jason daw magpapa-Starbucks, guys, sa last winner. Next. Kala ko siya yung nanalo for the last. Okay, Angela Apolonio again. Sis, ay, ba-blacklist ka na namin dito. Congratulations. And then, for the last, tama na, last movie. Movie ba to? Series to, Sino na una? Juliana C, this is yours. Congratulations, guys. Yan. Later ulit yung iba. Yan. Thank you.
Ayan, so congratulations to all the winners. Sana all. Okay, to welcome our speaker for today's webinar, may I call on and let us welcome Miss Marie Benzon. Hi, Miss Anna. Good afternoon po.
Thank you for having me, guys. Let me just set up. Oh, can you see my PowerPoint? Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Please.
Okay. Again, thank you for having me and good afternoon to everybody. As mentioned, I'm Marie Benzon, the founder and CEO of Stack Knowledge. Stack Knowledge provides gamified immersive adaptive learning platform using games, augmented reality, or simply AR, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. Our solution is to turn passive learners into active ones through gamified immersive approach that makes learning more fun, engaging, effective, and efficient. We also empower teachers with what they do best, and that is teaching. Stack Knowledge Solution is an excellent supplement to existing teaching tools, especially for personalized remote learning. It also lessens the math and science anxieties through 3D simulated gamified immersive learning and easy association of STEM complex technical concepts to real life application. On top of that, we design our solution using emerging technologies like AR, as mentioned, VR and AI, and of course, games to be very affordable and accessible for our users. The application can be accessed using low-spec smartphone with no internet connection. The digital experiential learning through the gamified XR retains 90% approximately of that of information as we design the content through learning by doing based on Dale's con of experience, and the game design is also based on Bloom's taxonomy. So focusing on the talk right now, uh, do you know that I created this amazing art for only approximately 7 minutes or less than. Can you believe that? Using AI. So if you still remember my first slide, diba? One of that is can be found on the left side. So I created that amazing art using an AI application. So later I'm gonna reveal it to you. So what exactly is AI? So AI, or artificial intelligence, as we all know it, is a term that first coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, which marked the birth of AI as a field of study. However, the idea of creating machines that could think and behave like humans goes back to much farther. The origins of AI can be traced back to ancient Greek and Celadons, the automatons, were described as being able to think and act like humans. The Ming described Talos as a giant bronze man built by Hephaestus, the Greek god of invention and blacksmithing. In the Middle Ages, alchemists and inventors like Roger Bacon and Leonardo da Vinci envisioned machines that they could reason and perform tasks on their own. The first concrete steps toward creating AI were taken in 1940s and 1950s when pioneers like Alan Turing, Jean von Neumann, and Norbert Wiener developed the mathematical and computational foundations of AI. They explored the concepts of logical reasoning, pattern recognition, self-improvement, which would become the basis of modern AI. During 1960s and 70s, AI research focused on developing expert systems which were designed to replicate the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. This system used rule-based reasoning and knowledge representation to solve complex problems in fields like medicine, finance, and engineering. In 1980s and 1990s, the emphasis shifted to machine learning, which enabled computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This led to the development of neural networks, which were modeled after the structure and function of the human brain and become the basis of deep learning and artificial neural networks. In recent years, AI has been significant strides in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and self-driving cars. These advances have been fueled by the availability of large amount of data, powerful computing resources, and breakthrough in algorithms and neural network architecture. So these are the top 10 artificial intelligence technologies according to Great Learning Team. According to them, we have the natural language generation that converts structured data into a natural language, while natural language understanding interprets natural language. Speech recognition uses AI to convert human speech into a computer accessible format, enabling faster and smoother interaction. Machine learning trains a machine to learn and to think of its own by analyzing and storing data. Virtual agents use AI programming and a natural language processing to understand and interact with humans. Expert systems utilize a pre-stored knowledge base to mimic human decision abilities. Decision management systems use AI to convert data into predictive models to help organizations make effective decisions. Deep or use application. So as you can see here, di ba, parang we are those terms are mind blowing. Just to visualize simply, this this is the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. So as you can see on the image, machine learning or simply intelligence. Next slide, please. In 2023, AI is becoming more democratized as more apps make AI functionality available to everyone, regardless of technical skill level, and low code performance. Enable anyone to create AI-powered solutions. Generative AI algorithms are also becoming more prevalent, allowing the creation of synthetic data that can be used by businesses for various purposes. Additionally, more emphasis is being placed on ethical and explainable AI, where AI systems are developed to ensure that decision making is transparent and bias is eliminated. Augmented working, where robots and smart machines help humans work more efficiently, is becoming more commonplace. And sustainability is also a major focus as companies are under pressure to minimize their carbon footprint. While AI has the potential to contribute positively to many aspects of life, including reducing carbon emission, it is also important to address its negative impacts, such as the potential risk on biased decision making. Next slide, please. Is it playing? Okay. One AI tools that you probably know is the ChatGPT, right? And it's all over our place right now. So ChatGPT, just to refresh your memory, GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformers. It's a large language model that is trained on huge amounts of existing written material. This is a type of deep learning software presented as a chat window which the user then uses to input a prompt or keyword or phrase. So as you have seen in this sample video, I made some questions uh, to ChatGPT and it produces human-like responses. Next slide, please. So this one is an example of application of generative AI technology. Sorry guys, we have a technical difficulty on.
Yung CEO staff, Marikina staff. Kasi ito po yung ano.
Fixing our internet here. Are you familiar or have you seen that video of ano? Actually, it's not Tom Cruise. Somebody else behind Tom.
Yung staff.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So, again, parang dalawa lang yun nakita kong nag-raise ng hand. Again, guys, are you on TikTok? Have you seen that video? Or have you heard yung deep tech? I'm sorry, deep fake videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So another tool of AI is Midjourney. So I'm gonna play the video for more details. So that's it. This is an application of stable diffusion. So it means from the video you have seen, the guy just type few words from the prompt in the prompt, and then the AI will produce whatever you want to diba, to produce. You want the AI to produce. So let me just ask, kindly raise hand for those who are have tried this app before. Who has have you tried this app before, guys? Kindly raise your hand. Wala pa. So this is new to you. So again, if you remember, I have shown you in the second slide that our third slide. I had several pictures, right? That I created for less than 10 minutes. Actually, probably mga 6 minutes lang siya. I used Midjourney in producing such beautiful, beautiful arts. So this is amazing, but a risk to artist job. Oops. Another example is this one.
Axel, kaya mo?
Another application of AI is the self-driving car, or they call it autonomous. So makikita niyo dito, guys, well, there's no driver essentially kasi the guy is not diba, doing anything on the driver's seat. Can I just pause a bit and to just switch to sharing the screen? So can you share my screen? Okay na ba siya, Steve? I'm on screen number 14. Okay na siya. $14. It doesn't have a sound. No sound. Supposedly meron. Can you hear the sound, guys? So this one is AI robots developed by Boston Dynamics. As you can see, the robot is acting like a human, right? So it can jump, it can do, or it can overcome obstacles. I know sounds now. Did you know sounds on your end? Wala sa akin din. But anyway, that's it. Guys, para hindi tayo parang dito na, medyo boring yung dating. Kindly react naman sa mga videos. If it's cool, kindly react heart. May heart ba dyan? Heart, tapos kapag, if you don't like it, angry face. Would you do that? Every application. Para tignan natin kung
range of sensors, including LiDAR, cameras, and force-sensitive pads. These sensors allow it to navigate and interact with its environment, whether it's walking on uneven terrain or gripping and manipulating objects. It's designed to work alongside humans, helping to increase efficiency and safety in the workplace. With its advanced sensors and control systems, Atlas possesses incredible strength and dexterity, making it capable of lifting heavy objects with ease, navigating obstacles, and even performing impressive acrobatic feats. Take a robot developed by Boston Dynamics. This impressive machine is designed to work in a variety of environments, from factories and warehouses to disaster zones and even outer space. This robot is equipped with a wide range of sensors,
limitations, provide some real-world examples on how you can use it, and share my personal opinion on whether it's worth using. So let's get started. As you start...
So this one, probably you love this because it's gonna increase your efficiency. It's called GitHub Copilot.
Provide some real-world...
Powered by Codex, a generative pre-trained AI model created by OpenAI. Kindly play the video.
Examples on how you can use it, and share my personal opinion on whether it's worth using. So let's get started. As you start typing a line of code, GitHub Copilot automatically generates suggestions for you to choose from. These suggestions are based on the context of your code and the libraries that you're using. Not only can this help you save time by reducing the amount of typing you have to do, it can also help you discover new functions and libraries you may not have known about before. Plus, with GitHub Copilot's machine learning capabilities, the more you use it, the better it becomes at predicting what code you need. Overall, the autocomplete feature of GitHub Copilot is a powerful tool for developers that can greatly enhance their productivity and efficiency. Another great feature of GitHub Copilot is its ability to generate code based on the comments that you write. By writing a comment that describes what you want to accomplish, GitHub Copilot can generate the code for you. This is particularly useful for developers who may be new to a project or are trying to understand someone else's code. By describing your intention in a comment block, you can help others understand the code more easily, and GitHub Copilot can even help you generate the code to accomplish that intention. This can save you a lot of time and effort by reducing the need for a lot of manual coding. However, it's important to note that while GitHub Copilot can generate code based on your comments, it's still important to write clear, concise comments that accurately describe your intention. With this feature, GitHub Copilot can make code more understandable and accessible for developers of all skill levels. So you might be thinking, what if the autocomplete is giving you suggestions that you don't exactly like or want? So what you can do is toggle through the options. The way to do this is hold the Option key and then use the closing brackets on each side. So you can go back and forth through the suggestions and see if there's one that accurately depicts what you're trying to do. If you don't like any suggestions, you can easily toggle back and forth to find the right one. This is a powerful feature that saves you time and effort by allowing you to find the right code quickly without having to manually type everything out. Another powerful feature is the ability to generate additional suggestions of code using the Control-Enter keyboard shortcut. GitHub Copilot will open a window of suggestions specifically for that code. This can be particularly useful when you have a piece of code that you want to optimize or when you need to refactor it. The suggestions provided can help you improve your code quality, optimize performance, and make it more efficient. So just a piece of housekeeping. If you want to turn off GitHub Copilot, you can either do so from the command palette or you can do so at the bottom of the VS Code toolbar. To do this from the command palette, press Command-Shift-P on Mac and search for GitHub Copilot and simply toggle it off. Alternatively, you can turn it off from the bottom of the VS Code toolbar by clicking the GitHub Copilot.
So that's it, guys. Please vote the app. Is it cool? Pa-heart kapag if you like it. Alam na, kapag thesis, pwedeng gamitin, di ba? I mean, just, type initial word and the AI can predict what you want with your project, right? So, yeah. There's a thing pala. On one hand, di ba, we have shown to you the amazing side of AI, but is it dangerous? Actually, yung deepfake pa lang, it's very dangerous kasi anyone can use someone's identity. Yeah. Tapos, they can do video of you probably. And another side, another disadvantage of AI. Recently, if you have heard yung Bing, diba? Si Bing. Can you read yung responses ni Bing dito? Can you read? So as you can see here, guys, parang si Bing has gone rogue. Parang ginagaslight niya na si user. Kasi the user was trying to ask what year is it? And then Bing answered 2022. And then the user counter argued na it's 2023. Tapos si Bing ginaslight niya na probably there's something wrong with the user's device and something. Tapos inaway-away niya na. So, yeah. So those are the things that can cause potential dangers of AI when it is misused, overused, or abused. One of the biggest threat is techno-solutionism. We believe that AI can solve all societal problems, which can lead to technology creating larger problems. Another danger is adopting a statistical perspective on justice, where the public accepts AI-derived conclusions as certainties, leading to skewed results that amplify existing biases. This can lead to outsourced justice with sentencing decision made by proprietary algorithm assessing whether a defendant will commit future crimes without transparency about the data and algorithm used in AI systems. The public may be left in the dark about how decisions that materially impact their lives are made, leading to the loss of autonomy and access to due process and redress. We need to address these issues as AI continues to be integrated into societal infrastructure. AI systems are being used to spread disinformation on the internet, which poses a threat to democracy by manipulating public opinion and undermining social trust. AI also has the potential to perpetuate discrimination in healthcare, as algorithms may exhibit biases against marginalized populations, potentially leading to life or death consequences. Biases in healthcare algorithms can result in inadequate care for patient at risk, and losing sight of the biases ingrained in AI outcomes that may contribute to a loss of human diversity. Next slide, please. So it is important, to being informed and engaged in the development of AI. It is risky to leave the decision making to a small group of entrepreneurs and engineers. There are reasons why it may be difficult to take the prospect of a world transformed by AI seriously, including underestimating the speed of technological change, considering it as a sci-fi fantasy, and failing to see the potential for large changes. So we encourage everyone to think about the future impact of AI and its implication for society. To develop an idea of what the future AI might look like, it is important to consider both human level AI and what we call transformative AI. Human level AI refers to machine that is capable of carrying out the same range of intellectual tasks as humans, while transformative AI emphasizes the impact that these technologies would have on the world. Comparing machine and human intelligence has advantage and disadvantages. On one hand, using AI intelligence or human intelligence as a reference point can help us imagine the capabilities of future AI systems. On the other hand, it can obscure the real differences between machine and human intelligence. Machines already outperform humans in some domains, and AI that is at least as good as human in every domain would be much more powerful than the human mind. Next slide, please. Oh, I'm sorry. Go back to slide number 18. And also, guys, I want to mention that human intelligence is a bad metaphor for machine intelligence in other ways. The way we think is often very different from the machines, and the output of thinking machines can be very alien to us. Machines can also, fail in strange and unexpected ways, as I have shown you Bing case. Therefore, imagining a powerful future AI as just another human would likely be a mistake. The differences might be so large that it will be a misnomer to call such systems as human level. It is important to consider the potential impacts of transformative AI on society and to approach the development of AI technology with caution and foresight. Next slide. So imagine the possibility of AI systems improving their capabilities without human intervention through process called recursive self-improvement. This could lead to an exponential increase in AI intelligence as the system would become better and better at improving itself, creating a positive feedback loop. With continuous improvement, they would become super intelligent AIs and eventually reaching singularity. Singularity refers to a hypothetical future point in time when AI surpasses human intelligence and becomes capable of recursively improving itself beyond what humans can comprehend. This could lead to an exponential increase in AI intelligence that would be difficult to predict or control. With the exponential AI's improvement over time, reaching super intelligence or the possibility of reaching singularity, what would you do? Will AI dominate human? Dominate human? What do you think, guys? So kindly comment if today or starting, kasi we have a lot of AIs nowadays, right? And beyond, do you think AI will replace us or dominate us? What do you think? Kindly vote. Thumbs up pag yes, thumbs down pag no. So could you expound your answer? Why? Why do you think that human remain, dominant over anything like super intelligent AI? So imagine nyo, di ba? There's a robot who is acting like human and can compute, uh, you know, um, faster than ano ba, yung ano natin, current computing system natin. Can anyone expound na we shouldn't be dominated or we will never be dominated by AIs? Pwede. Paano kapag we have like in the future, di ba, ang dami-dami ng AI. Imagine mo you have AI robots invented elsewhere, everywhere. Tapos millions na sila. So, can we govern them one by one? Kasi sabi mo mapapapigil. Sino dito yung nakaano na ng chat GPT, di ba? Ang weird na mga responses. Parang ano na siya, manipulative. Which law? The question is, which law? Do we have an existing laws for AI? Could you expound, Miss Mara? Miss Mara, paano natin i-govern? I mean, yeah, we have siguro on technical level, we have laws, but do we have, say, legal laws existing? Paano kapag si AI, imagine nyo, di ba? For example, the expert systems, they can provide sound decision making for businesses. So that's expert system based on the pre-trained data from the experts. So paano kapag si AI ay nagkamali siya sa decision niya on some business and that decision caused risk to the society? So who to blame? Is it the AI or whoever? Sa tingin nyo? I-blame ba natin si AI?
Okay, can I answer po?
Sige, sure.
I don't think we can blame the AI since they were not created by themselves naman po and we humans developed them. So I think in that case po we can still be hold accountable. But going
Exactly who?
the humans who
Who? Is it
developed
the
that,
general human or the developers?
the developers, and going back to the question if AI can overpower humans, I think AI already overpowered us humans in certain areas, in certain domains, but it is yet to replace humans, or it can never replace humans, especially if we're talking about the social skills, or let's say in business they can't really transact emotionally and cognitively like humans po. So yeah, ayun.
Well, that's a valid point. But anyway, guys, before further Q&A, I'm now handing you over to Mr. TJ Mariano, our Business Development Officer, who will discuss the details of our upcoming machine learning workshop for beginners. TJ?
Hello guys, girig po ba ako? Hello? Ma'am, rinig ba ako? Hello, good afternoon guys. I'm Timothy Mariano, the Business Development Officer of Stock Knowledge, and I'm inviting you guys through our machine learning workshop. First of all, Stock Knowledge is a globally recognized innovator and educational technology startup based in the Philippines. We provide a gamified, immersive, adaptive learning platform using augmented reality, which is AR, virtual reality, which is known as VR, games, and artificial intelligence. With the rapid rise of AI-dominated society, are you worried about being left behind? Now is the time to start. Even if you have zero math and programming knowledge, we are conducting a machine learning workshop for beginners interested in the AI technologies behind the well-known ChatGPT, of course, for the Apple Siri, Alexa for Google, and Tesla, the automotive, and other state-of-the-art AI techs. Take advantage of this machine learning workshop of stock knowledge, first well-curated machine learning workshop for beginners. These machine learning basic concepts will include the Python, linear algebra, linear regression, and other types of regression, decision trees, clustering, and neural networks. Here are the 3 benefits to taking our program. Number 1 is personalized and customized. Learning is possible because we facilitate individual learning needs, outcome, and output base since students and trainees will work on a project to take their data science and AI career prospects to the next level. That's all, and we will send the link to the Zoom chat. That's all. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I was muted. I was talking, but I was. Actually, that's it. Any question?
Ayan, guys. Do you guys have any questions for Miss Anna Marie?
Um, do they have a question? Let me check the inbox. Oh, no, that's not it. Ah, sorry. Regit, can you share the screen? Sorry guys, because my apps on my laptop are overlapping, so I'm kind of confused. Can you share the screen number 21? React, react mo yung 21. Sorry.
Ma'am, ito po yung question. Are there any foolproof ways of detecting deepfakes?
Oh,
Excuse me, ma'am, you're muted po.
Oh, so I've been muted for while talking. Okay, just to repeat, your question is there a way to, ano, di ba? Okay, I cannot find the question, but to explain again my answer to that question, kasi I think the question is asking for is there a way to
Detect deepfake.
detect yung yung deepfake na pinakita ko. Yeah, that's the thing. As far as I know, right now we don't have such technology to do that. Probably you will create it. Kasi yun nga, the danger is what if this is used in forensic, right, or investigating crimes, and someone will show you an evidence in terms of video or a photograph, right, or video na lang, di ba? Na for example, a video contains someone else is there committing the crime, but in fact, he's not in any way involved in the crime, right? So, yun yung delikado sa AI ngayon. Kasi, as you can see, yung deepfake ni, di ba, ni Tom Cruise, parang si Tom Cruise pala. I think meron yung filter na ganyan na sa TikTok, no? I don't, kasi, I do have a TikTok, but I'm not active. Pero yung AI sa TikTok, kasi super realistic, di ba? Kasi if it's AR technology, you can see, kasi kapag filter yun ng AR, augmented reality, di ba, itakpan mo siya, mag-overlap, the filter overlaps the, di ba, obstructing object. But if it's AI, it's super realistic na you can really, differentiate what's real and what's AI generated. Did I answer the question well? Or do you need further explanation?
Hello.
Gusto magsalita. Hindi sa chat, kasi ako din nawawala.
Ito mo, ma'am. Hello, rinig po ba? Next question po is, meron din pong audio na deepfakes na as far as I remember, 2 minutes of audio mo lang yung needed to replicate your voice.
Yeah, I seen that in Twitter. Meron. So yun din, that's the danger. Kasi what if, for example, di ba kapag mga evidences sa korte or pieces of evidence, napakadelikado niya kasi you can fake anything na super realistic. Ay, yung nagamit daw sa, yung kay, Hailey, tsaka Hailey ba? Did I pronounce it right? Hindi kasi ako ma-mainstream. Yan, Selena.
Ma'am, next question daw.
Wait lang, before going to that next question, another danger, hindi lang sa crime investigations, another danger is sa scams. Kasi ako dito, di ba yung mga crypto scams na as if you are talking to real Barack Obama, mga ganon. Pero it's not Barack Obama. You know, it's a deepfake. Tsaka yung maraming videos, nagpa-pop up na si Elon Musk, asking everybody to invest in a certain crypto. Pero it was actually a scam. Next question. Sana sila yung magtanong, yung sila yung unmute mo. So guys, before we proceed to the next question, ako naman magtanong. I just wanna know kung doon sa doon sa slides, doon sa AI, machine learning, deep learning, ganun. Saan na yung area na medyo deep level yung specialty nyo? Sa ML, maano ba kayo? Walang sumasagot. Ano yung next question?
Wala pa pala. Next question is, in what way will AI can dominate the economy?
In what way the AI?
Dominate the economy.
Oh, actually, that's a good question. Actually, they are dominating now, diba? Like, for example, the rise of, specifically yung ChatGPT, yung large language modeling. As in, what are possible jobs? To be specific to that question, kasi economy is quite broad, no? Pero if we're gonna be specific on industries, let's say, for example, sa si ChatGPT, what in the industries threatened by that technology? So I think one, they are applying it na to healthcare. And then, yun, yung mga call center natin, di ba? So it's quite dangerous on some. Kasi soon enough, these AI technologies will replace or wipe out totally those jobs. But here's the thing. It's not a total wiping out of human jobs, right? So it has been, historically, it has been a pattern wherein if you have a new technology, all jobs or traditional jobs are being wiped out, and then there's a creation of new jobs as a result of that new technology. So in this case, what are the possible jobs? Of course, yung digital skills, right? Digital skills necessary to create an AI. So sa Pilipinas, ilan tayo na maalam sa AI? I mean the groundwork of doing things. Kayo, yun nga tinatanong ko sa inyo, anong level na kayo dun sa mga piniresent sa inyo? Like for example, do you do machine learning, deep learning projects? Kasi your job is also threatened, right? Have you seen yung Copilot? So me, as a company owner, I might say, for example, if everything is set up, I would only hire probably 2 people to do a project as opposed to having like 15, right? Kasi I have a co-pilot wherein everything is automated, even doing my system. So yeah.
Okay, so there's another question po. For you, ma'am, is it okay that we rely on AI in day-to-day basis?
Oh, that's a good question. Kasi let's say, for example, ChatGPT, right? I've seen the power of it. Kasi diba, you just for example, you are searching for something, and then ChatGPT will give you everything. The thing is, you have to be knowledgeable enough. Kasi sometimes ChatGPT gives you biased answers. So that's a good question. Now you cannot, di ba, dun sa danger na nilagay natin, you cannot totally rely on AI. That's why, alam mo yun, the rate of increasing AI intelligence must be the same equal rate that we have to increase our intelligence. Kasi these super AIs are, are coming to us, right? Now, they are sometimes uh, discriminatory, ganyan, or kaya bias yung mga binibigay nilang responses. Why is that? Kasi there was an argument that I've seen on Twitter na AI should be regulated, which I really agree. Kasi when you build an AI, for example, a certain group lang in a society who has that skill, right? Imagine mo, ano bang grupo dito sa Pilipinas na nagtanda gulo-gulo? Uh, Wala eh. So, wag mo na dito sa Pilipinas. Pero doon tayo sa realidad where ChatGPT is created sa US. Kasi sa US, di ba, masyado silang sa race, yung racism. Okay? So, it turns out, yung AI na yun is discriminating, let's say, for example, a group of male, like for example, kasi there was a prompt na nakita ko na uh, the user was trying to ask ChatGPT a joke about man, right? A man. Tapos the ChatGPT generated something. But when the user asked the ChatGPT to provide a joke for women, sabi ni ChatGPT na I'm just an AI to think you, I'm not, basta I don't discriminate a certain group, ganyan. So yeah, there's a discrimination, there's biases and misleading information that AI can give us. And of course, di ba? Yung development of AI, kasi it is based on some data, right? So if you feed the AI a biased data, eventually it produces a biased data. So whose fault of that biases? Of course, yung developer. Kaya nabanggit dun siya sa somewhere sa PowerPoint na yun. Those are the dangers that we have to know who are the developers or behind this AI technology. To do that, na dapat vigilant din tayo as citizens na, wait lang, mali yung sinasabi ni AI. So first and foremost, one, we are aware, we are very knowledgeable on things. Second is, it would be better if we are also knowledgeable on how AI is being created. So that may require technical skills.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Anna. Okay, do you guys have questions pa? Sorry.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, naka-flash, no? Ito, I created this art. Di ba kapag ipapagawa mo yan sa artist, it could take probably several days. I just did that. I mean, I was trying to recreate my image out of boards. So, yan yung yan yung output. You may try the app with Journey. Ang cool.
We'll try later, ma'am.
Sige. O kaya kapag may project kayo, di ba, gawin mo lang sa AI. Dahil yun din yung isang danger eh. Kasi, sa ChatGPT, I think they have an app that can detect if it's AI generated. Kasi nagiging issue if, for example, yung essay na pinasa ng estudyante is ChatGPT generated. So, mahirap yun sa teacher, di ba? Kasi like, for example, ang ganda-ganda ng essay, syempre si teacher has no time to do that. Ang dami na lang work ni teacher, right? So, yeah, that's one danger. And another, danger is, basta marami siyang magiging fake. Imagine nyo yung book nyo, di ba? Yung fiction, I know, non-fiction, or any, mga books. Kasi there was an argument na, what if some sections of that book uh, are written by an AI? Actually, may mga cases na. So it's, well, it makes the writer jobs easier, but does it make sense for readers if it's AI generated?
Sorry, Miss Anna. It's raining here, so medyo delay yung tapos lang sa end ko. Anyway, thank you so much, Miss Anna, for that wonderful talk. And I think wala ng questions or meron pa. Di ko kasi makita yung chats. Ayun. So I think wala na. So after, okay. Hi. So, okay, thank you again. We will have another game. Wait, let me open my camera. Okay, hi. We will have another game and 50 pesos ulit yung premyo. So, can you share the game? Can you share screen, Miss Antoinette? Ate Tonet.
Yes, I'll share screen with you.
Okay po. So, it's guess the gibberish. Ayan, okay. So, huhulaan nyo lang yung words. It's like combinations. Okay, let's start na. Ay, nabanggit to kanina. Okay, so we have a winner. Josiah Vince Sapul. Okay, si Elon Musk. Okay, ano yung answer? Yan. Okay, may 50 pesos ka na. Pesos. Okay, number 2. Sino? Tama kaya si Angela. Ayan, kanina. Congratulations again,
Si Angela ba ang nauna?
Ay,
Hindi ba
hindi.
si
Yan
Lawrence.
yan pala, si Lawrence. Okay, congratulations, Lawrence. Kala ko si Angela ulit. Okay. Okay, next one. Oh, wow. Okay. Wait, let me just... Okay, ang nauna is si Sir Christian de Belen. Okay. Congratulations po. 50 pesos ka na. Okay, next. Kita. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, so, ang nanalo is si C. Hindi ko makita name yun. Is it Juliana?
Juliana.
Juliana, ayan. Congratulations, Juliana. Next. Wow, ang bilis ni ni Rafael. Okay, congratulations, Rafael. 50 pesos ka na rin. Okay, so for this one, sino kaya? Okay. Okay, congratulations. Wait, is it 14 or 13? Kasi fur yung ano, 13. Okay, 13 reasons. So, sino ang nauna? Okay, si Angela. Si Angela nga ba? Ayan, congratulations again, Angela. Okay, ikaw ang nanalo dito. 13 reasons why. Okay. Ilan ba to? Ayan. Dumb ways to die nga ba? Parang may nakita. Okay. Paano pag na-typo? Is it counted? Nauna kasi sa... Ay, hindi pala. Okay, congratulations, Dirk. Ikaw ang nauna. Don't waste my time. Tama ba, Dirk? Yun. Ayan, thank you so much guys for playing and congratulations sa mga nanalo. And again, thank you so much Miss Anna for that great talk. And oh, wait. Okay, so I would like to present yung Miss Anna Marie Benzon certificate for this as an appreciation for this webinar, ma'am. So Ate Reg, can you share your screen po? And so this certificate of appreciation is awarded to you, Miss Anna Marie Benzon, for sharing your valuable time, knowledge, and expertise as resource speaker during the Rise of AI webinar today. Really, thank you so much and really appreciate you po and your time. Ayan, so to those na pwede mag-open ng camera, also suggest ko rin talaga mag-open kayo ng camera. May photo op tayo. Pa-open na lang.
Pleasure, guys.
Pa-open na lang po ng camera. Don't miss it. Ayan. Ayan, sige. I'll count 1 to 3. Okay, wait. Pa-screen capture na lang po. Okay. Okay na ba? Pa-open na pa mostly. Ang gaganda at gwapo naman pala talaga. Okay. Ayan, sige. Ayan, naka-open na. Okay, sige. Okay na yan. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Show your beautiful smiles. Ayan. Okay. Ang cute nyo naman mag-smile. Thank you so much for opening your cameras and for staying with us in this webinar. Thank you again, Miss Anna Marie.
Thank you.
I would also like to take this opportunity to remind you guys for the evaluation form. Wait, yan, kindly fill up the evaluation form po for the e-certs. Ayan. Yan, na-share na siya sa chat. Guys, pasagutan na lang. Ayan, again, kindly fill up the evaluation form as it serves as your attendance and your certificate po for this webinar. Thank you so much for attending this, for showing appreciation rin for this event. Thank you so much. So I guess this concludes our webinar for today. I am Jasmine Konanan, your MC for today's webinar. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.